Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the proof of formula for isoelectric point. This is the formula which we usually see in the chapter biomolecule pKa1 plus pKa2 by 2. So here I will prove it using the concepts of physical chemistry and mean inequalities AM and GM. By the way, its original derivation, I have not seen it or something similar anywhere. Believe me, you will enjoy it. So first of all, I want to review what is a zwitterion. Zwitterion is a neutral compound. It is internal salt structure formed by the internal acid-base reaction between alpha amino group and alpha carboxylic acid group of alpha amino acid. R can contain an acidic group or basic group, but in the zwitterion it will be in its neutral state. Isoelectric point, it is the pH at which the concentration of the zwitterionic form of alpha amino acid reaches its maximum value. So you can read it to know how to calculate the isoelectric point of a neutral alpha amino acid, acidic alpha amino acid and basic alpha amino acid. So the main question is that if we add certain amount of amino acid in solution, what should be the pH of the solution so that we can get maximum concentration of the zwitterion. So I am doing it for a neutral alpha amino acid, say NH2RCOH. It is a alpha amino acid, but for ease of writing I have written in the form of NH2RCOH. Let K1 be the pK of alpha carboxylic acid group and K2 be the pK of alpha ammonium salt. Now the alpha amino acid will exist in the solution in the four forms, which are NH2RCOH, NH2RCO negative, NH3 plus RCOH, NH3 plus RCO negative. In the next slides I am going to represent their concentration by X, A, B and Z respectively. So I have written all the reactions which are proceeding in the solution with the expression of the equilibrium constant. So you can carefully take the notice of the reaction 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I have told you that the amino acid will exist in the four forms and the distribution in between these four forms will depend upon the pH. But their sum will be equal to the initial moles which we added. So therefore concentration of X plus concentration of B plus concentration of A plus concentration of Z is equal to a constant. Now using the expressions of the equilibrium constant, we can obtain B in the terms of concentration of zwitterion, concentration of hydronium ion and equilibrium constant. Similarly you can find A and similarly you can find X. So when I add them, I get the expression that Z times 1 plus K2 by K1 plus H positive by K1 plus K2 by H positive equal to constant. So to get the maximum value of the concentration of zwitterion, this expression should have least value. So using AM and GM, I am not showing it here. You can get that for this to attain minimum, the concentration of H positive ion must be equal to square root of K1 and K2 and pH equal to Pi equal to pK1 plus pK2 by 2. So it is a very amazing proof and I emphasize the viewer to try it for other amino acid which are acidic alpha amino acid and basic alpha amino acid. It is just that here are four forms in which the amino acid will exist in the solution. The other one will have greater forms due to protonation or deprotonation of side chain. So that's for this video. Thanks for watching video.